Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel or my page depending on the medium you are watching this from. This is my digital tutors, and if this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to subscribe or follow us, and so you can be among those that will be notified each time I drop a new video. It's very interesting. So for those of our students preparing for NECO Practical Physics, I think in the next few days, so if you are among those students or you have somebody preparing for such exam, this video is for you, because in this class we are going to treat in detail the question 1, which is on mechanics. The probable question, 99.9% question that you are going to come across in the exam proper. So pay attention to everything we're going to do here today, because that is exactly what you might come across in the exam proper. So according to the white paper and the set of practical that you are to be provided, there we have a elastic spring, we have slotted mass, and we have mass hanger, then stopwatch and a retort stand. So from here we now conclude that the practical is going to be on determination of the acceleration due to gravity using elastic spring method. Is that clear? So in the set of masses we are provided, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So the first thing you do is to hang, so slot for the first one, which is 20 mass, 20 gram mass, which is here. You initially you hang your yes, the hanger, you hang it on the spring, then you slot your first mass, which is 20, which is what, 20 grams, slot it. So now when you slot it, you are going to extend it downward and release it, then it will be oscillating, right? So those of you, if you understand simple harmonic motion, you understand this. It will be oscillating. So up and down is one oscillation, then you count it 20 oscillations. So number of oscillation is 20. As you are counting it, you when you're about to start, as you're just starting your stopwatch, then you start counting, right? When you count up to 20, then you stop your stopwatch, then you take your time. That will be time of oscillation. First one, you take the second one for a better reading or a better accuracy, right? Then you take the average, that will be the time of oscillation. Then the period is the average time of oscillation divided by number of oscillation, which is 20. Then you calculate it, then you square it to have this, because in the end you'll be asked to plot this against this or this against this, as the case may be. I hope we are together. So that being said, let's quickly get into it. So as I said, make sure everything is set, your time, your stopwatch is set, then slightly draw it down, extend it down and release. Can you see? So when I'm about to start, don't avoid conical oscillation. That's one of the precaution, right? So I'm about to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I stop at 20, and my time here is 12.1600. As you can see, I leave my answer in. What I actually had was 12.16, but I put additional 2 zeros to make it in 4 decimal places. Why? Because the examiner, sometimes they will not tell you the number of decimal places they want you to use. So sometimes they just need 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places, but the maximum is 4 decimal places. So when you put 4 decimal places, you are covered. So if the examiner need 2 decimal places, you are covered. If you need 3 decimal places, you are covered. If you need 4 decimal places, you are covered. Good. Then we do the second one. The same thing. Make sure your stopwatch is ready for you, right? Reset it. again slightly, then avoid conical oscillation. I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have 1, 2.08. You see, they are close, 0, 0. So I'm done with mass 20. So I'll go with what? Mass 40, right? So here is 20 and here is 20. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So I have this. This doesn't want to enter. I'll just hang it here like this. It will still work for me. Okay. Okay. So the same thing, slightly draw it down. Okay. Okay, I'm about to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have 12.8000. Make sure that there's consistency. One shouldn't be in 3 decimal places, another one in 2 decimal places, another one in 4 decimal places. All your table of value must be in 4 decimal places. That is one thing about what the examiner is going to look at when he or she is going to mark your table of value. Please take note of that. So let's go for the second one. Is dangling, so I don't like this. Okay, I'm about to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have 13.3400. Okay, so now I'm done with mass 40. Let's move to mass 60. So here is 50 and here is 10. Here is 50, here is 10, so that will give me 60. So slot this 50, then the 10. Okay, here it is. Okay, get your stopwatch ready before you oscillate the load. Okay, I think I don't like the way it is dangling, so again, slightly. I'm about to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20, here I have 13.6500. Okay, so let's reset our stopwatch, move again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have 14.1100. Okay, now I'll go for 80. I'll go for 80. So without, let me just remove this. Here is 10. Here is 10. I'm looking for 80. So that will be 50 plus 20, then plus 10. Right? So that will give us 80. That will give us 80. Okay. Make sure your stopwatch is ready. Reset it. Let's go there again. Slightly. I'm about to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 here I have 14.500. 5000. Good. So let's go for the next one. Second time of oscillation is dangling. I don't like it. Okay. Let's restart. Okay, I'm about to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20, I have 14.61. 14.6100. So let's go for the last one. So for the last one, I have 80 here already, and here is what? 20. So 80 plus 20, that will give us what? 100. So let's slot it in. Okay. Okay, get our stopwatch ready, reset it. Let's go there for the last one, or second to the last. Okay, I'm about to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have 1516, 151600. So the last one, all right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have here to be 15.1600, just the same. Okay, so this is our table of value from the experiment. The rest, we are going to calculate it. So we are going to do this one for me in order for us not to extend the video too much. What you are going to do, before we come for the graphing, you add this plus this divided by 2 to give you average, the same thing downward. Whatever you have here divided by 20 to give you your period, you fill it downward. Then whatever you have here, you squared it, you fill it downward. So do that for me. In the next class, or in the next video rather, we are going to see to the plotting of this table of value. Please make sure that whatever you have, you approximate, and it should be in what? 4 decimal places, because that is the one of the things the examiner is going to look out for. Is there uniformity in the decimal places of your table of values? Is that understood? Thank you for your time. I hope you've learned new things. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. God bless you.